Hey, good morning. It's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. I got Nate here. We got his 2020 WRX STI. It's been in the shop last couple days. We did paint protection film on the front bumper, paint protection film stops all the rock chips and stone chips. We put SunTek Ultra on for Nate. So let's hear Nate. Nate, what do you think?
I think Bill did a fantastic job. I'm a guy that really takes pride in my cars. The little details are important to me when I'm working on my own cars and anyone I trust them to. And Bill has definitely got the eye for those little details. He's got a great customer service sense, someone who's been in small business most of my working life. That is absolutely paramount to me. It's something I look for as #1 quality in anyone I work with, and Bill definitely has that in spades. So if you're considering having any sort of protections under your new car or slightly used car, I would definitely recommend you give Bill a shout because he's a top-notch guy. He takes great pride in his work, and that's just about all I can ask for in anyone I trust my cars with.
Cool, thanks. So what do you think about the SunTek film now that you see it on the vehicle? And
it looks great. I'm definitely looking forward to not having to worry about my white car turning black with rock chips and such. As soon as I got the car, I was like, okay, black plastic with white paint, this is going to be something I need to worry about. So the peace of mind it's going to give me is something that personally I can't put a price on. So
awesome.
Definitely glad to have reached out to Bill and had him take care of me.
Yeah, great. I think it's going to look great, and we're excited you were here. Again, thanks for the business. I appreciate you, man.
My pleasure, Bill.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.